Welcome back to Vintage Steel Garage. Today we're working on the Mustang Mach-E and a very annoying problem where the chrome has come off on the window button and it creates this sharp edge which can cut your finger. Now in the UK, annoyingly, you have to buy this whole switch, which is several £100 and quite a faff to take the door trim off and replace. But what I've done, I mean, if you're in the US it's easy, but I've bought these. They're the chrome tips that you can buy. They're just under this tape here. I'll take them off in a minute, but they're basically 99 cents each, shipped from this place here, which is Lake Ford, Lewistown in Pennsylvania. So I got these, I think, via eBay. Now obviously they're 99 cents each. I got 4 of them. It's the only ones they had in, so it cost me $3.96. But including shipping to the UK, it came out as $37, which sort of makes it expensive, but it's not as expensive as several £100 for a new switch in your UK Ford dealership, plus then the faff of replacing. So what you need to do now is quite an easy job. You've just got to prise them out. It just takes a little bit of a prise with a screwdriver, just to push it out like that. Now that's the old one out. And the new one, which I say I've got 4 of them under this tape here. All you've got to do, my fat fingers. So we'll try that again. All I need to do with my fat fingers is line the tabs up like that, push it in, that's it, done. No longer a sharp edge. And I haven't had to endure taking it to a main dealership, booking the car in, getting it replaced. It probably costs you several £100 to do that. So I've done that for $37, which I don't know what the conversion rate is, call it £25. All done, dusted, no more sharp edges, no more annoyingness when you put your finger on it. So thanks for watching, bye for now.